Hello, my name is Nate. Welcome to my Fluid Art channel. I am going to do another flower today. I'm working my way through this obsession with these wrecked flowers. It started off a couple of videos ago. I wanted to try Fiona's reversed flower dip, and I've done a couple of them and these wrecked flowers at the same time, and I always seem to prefer the wrecked flower to the dipped flower. So I'm going a little bit larger this time. This is a 24 by 24 inch canvas. I have it on my Winterstrom Art spinner, and I have the same flower cup that Fiona uses in her flower dips. Because I'm using a larger canvas, on a smaller canvas you can usually eyeball the center pretty close, but on a larger canvas I'm not going to take my chances. So I'm going to use a piece of string to find my center after I put my base coat down. And I am doing something that I normally don't do. I'm using a lot of colors this time. I normally keep myself to like 4 or 5, maybe 6 colors. 6 is a lot for me. I like minimal color palettes, but this time I'm kind of doing the full rainbow. So I'll go through my colors here real quick. This is a mix of Amsterdam Permanent Green Light and DecoArt Metallics Emerald. And then this is Primary Yellow from Amsterdam. And this is Azo Orange from Amsterdam. And Carmine from Amsterdam. And this is Permanent Red Violet Light also from Amsterdam. This is a mix of Liquitex Basics Deep Violet and DecoArt Metallics in Berry. It's a really beautiful raspberry color. And then I have Amsterdam's Greenish Blue, Turquoise Green, and then finally I have some Amsterdam Titanium White. So what is that? 3, 6, 9 colors. Oh my God, I've gone crazy. So I also have mixed up some Amsterdam Titanium White and Pearl White that I'm going to use as my base. And I want to make sure I don't get the order messed up here. So I keep these going in the right order. So I layer them correctly. And I'm not going to wreck it quite as much as I've done in the last couple of videos. I've done a lot of wrecking. This time I'm going to stick to just 4 or 5, maybe 3 or 4 wrecks. It's because I want to be able to see all of these colors. So let's get started. I'm going to put my base coat down. I'll put on some music for you and we'll get started.
This is the hour, the darkest place. Dante's Inferno, the devil's maze. It's a good world, good world gone bad. Half the people die while the rest of us are splitting hairs. It's a good world, good world gone bad.
get serious. What lies on the horizon, horizon before us. My heartbeat calls your name. Can anybody feel the same? Covered by the twilight, it's alright. Again. Tell me, when does it end? My heartbeat calls your name. Covered by the starlight, it's alright. Stuck in the middle of coming inside and walking out. Just stay for a little. You say as you close the door behind me, look in the mirror, hearing you whisper in my ear. Say, are you a sinner or a beginner? Yeah, let's get unpredictable tonight. You and me and vodka cola light. In situations, standing on my own. They say that you love a confrontation, and that everybody knows your white lies, white scars, warm nights, black bars, burning me up, you're burning me up. Yeah, you're playing the Beatles. You got my high school t-shirt on. It's looking so easy. You're killing my headphones with that song. The way that you're laughing, shaking your bed. I know what you're after. Yeah, I know what you're after. Let's get unpredictable tonight. You and me and vodka cola light. And I'm putting myself in situations, standing on my own. They say that you love a confrontation, and that everybody knows your white lies, white scars, warm nights, black bars, burning me up, you're burning me up. Yeah, you're burning me up. White eyes and scars. Yeah. Let's get unpredictable tonight. You and me and vodka cola light. And I'm putting myself in situations, standing on my own. They say that you love a confrontation, and that everybody knows your white lies, white scars, warm nights, black bars, burning me up, you're burning me up. And I'm putting myself in situations, standing on my own. They say that you love a confrontation.
Okay, wet result. So I realized as I was about to do my wet result of the first one that after I showed you my consistency using the Azo Orange, everything was out of focus, which was super frustrating. So fortunately, I always make up more paint than I absolutely need. So I had enough to do a second one. And this one didn't go quite as planned. Somehow I ended up a little off center. I still like it. It's really cool, but I like the first one better. I will show that one to you here in a second. But I do love the swirl in the center is great. Almost like a Twilight Zone kind of look to it. I think that's really super cool. I love the twist in the center and those kind of flowery petals that are coming out. And I do like I layered this one, the colors up just a little bit differently. And I think it turned out pretty cool. Hold on just a second, I will show you the first one. So here's the wet result of the first one that was out of focus the whole time I was filming. Gosh darn it. I'm being nice because I'm on YouTube. Those are not the words that I used earlier. But again, the swirl turned out really cool. In the center, there's a little more green in this one, which is really cool. And I love the way the rainbow colors spiral out from there. It is a lot more centered. And I just think this is really cool, really rad, very hippie, and I love the pattern. I hope you like it too. Unfortunately, I will not have time for dry results, so I will show those to you in the next video. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed despite the technical difficulties, and come back and see me sometime.